How to turn on dark mode on Grok AI. Prefer a darker, easier on the eyes theme? Here's how to switch Grok AI to dark mode. First, open X and head to your display and accessibility settings, or you can go to Grok AI website directly from your browser. Here, look for the theme or background section. You'll see options like default, dim, and lights out. Selecting lights out apply true dark mode across the platform, including your Grok AI chat interface. The change happens instantly. Your chat background turns dark while text remains crisp for comfortable late night use. Dark mode also helps reduce screen glare and battery usage if you are browsing for longer periods. Are you a dark mode always user or do you switch back and forth? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can turn on dark mode on Grok AI. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.